Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we are going to review patterns together. All right, let's get to it. Patterns are all around us. You can find patterns in nature, and look at here. This chest follows a black and white pattern. This necktie has these lines as its pattern. This piece of cloth has these colors as its pattern. So patterns are all around us. Many of these are called repeating patterns. Repeating because they repeat over and over. So we call them repeating patterns. Now, remember AB pattern? You see, AB repeats over and over. For example, this one, red, green, red, green. You see, this red, green keeps repeating itself. So we know that red, green, red, green, red, green. The next one is going to be red. Very easy because we understand patterns, especially these patterns because they repeat themselves. Look at this one. This is an ABC pattern. Black, purple, yellow. 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 As you remember, we can turn it into a song as it becomes easier to find the pattern. This is an ABB pattern. Okay, we look at here star, pencil, pencil, star, pencil, pencil, star, pencil, pencil. You can see the pattern already. It's one star, two pencils. That's the pattern that keeps repeating itself like this. See, this is the repeating part. It keeps repeating itself. So we know that the next one is going to start with a star. So this is an ABB pattern. You see A and then B, B because these two are the same. Next, ABBA pattern. This one is funny too. Look, apple, pencil, pencil, apple, apple, pencil, pencil, apple. Just like a song. So we know that this is the repeating pattern that is going to repeat itself. So the first one, let's sing it. Apple, pencil, pencil, apple, apple, pencil, pencil, apple, apple. All right, so the next one is ABBC pattern. This is a little different because it has three of these. So it's boy, girl, girl, boy with glasses. Boy, girl, girl, boy with glasses. So this is the repeating pattern. So we know the next one is going to be boy. All right, next one is ABCD. This one has four. Look at here. Pink, purple, green, blue. Pink, purple, green, blue. Pink, purple, green, blue. Pink, purple, green, blue. Amazing. So, look at here. We have cherry, we have pear, we have mango. So, cherry, pear, mango. Cherry, pear, mango. So, what's next? It is cherry. What's next? It is pear, right? And what is next? It is mango. So, cherry, pear, mango. Cherry, pear, mango. What's next? Cherry. What's next? Pear. Easy. Because we know that this is the repeating pattern. So we know that even the next one would be mango. Great job. Now, look at these examples. Here we have a duck, parrot. Duck, parrot. Duck. What's next? Parrot. Very good. Because we found the repeating pattern. Duck, parrot, duck, parrot, duck, parrot. Next one. It's going to be a flower, flower, balloon. Flower, flower, balloon. Very good. You see, this is the repeating pattern. So, let's see what's next. Hat, hat, toy, toy, hat. Let's find the pattern here. So, to find it, we have to see. It's hat, hat, toy, toy. Hat. What comes next? What comes after the first hat? It is hat again. So this is the answer. All right, let's look at the next one. Next one we have ball, bag. Ball, bag. Ball, bag. Very good. Super easy. Now, next one is handbag, dress, dress, handbag, dress. Let's see. Handbag, dress. Is this the repeating part? No, because the next one is also dress. So, is this the repeating part? Handbag, dress, dress. Handbag? Yeah, it can be because it's handbag, dress. Next one is going to be dress. Right? Okay. So, let's review about growing patterns, the patterns that get bigger and bigger. So, what are growing patterns? As you remember, I showed you this example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You see, it's getting bigger and bigger. But how is it getting bigger? You can see that it's getting plus 2. Every one of them are getting plus 2, and we get the next one. So this is an example of a growing pattern. So here is another example. This one is only plus 1. You see, all of them, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And it just keeps going higher and higher. So, patterns that grow in a special way. For example, this one special way is plus 2. This one special way is plus 1, right? We call them increasing pattern, or easier, growing pattern. Growing pattern. So these patterns are called growing patterns. So let's talk about parts of a growing pattern. First, we have terms. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is called the terms. Okay, these are called the terms. How many terms do we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we have 6 terms in this pattern. We can find a 7th term too, because we know the rule of this pattern. Now the rule is basically the rule of the pattern. Look, it is plus 3. So we know the rule. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. See, we know the rule. When you know the rule, you can find as many terms as you wish. All right, let's look at this one. This one is different. It's a shape, right? So first we have square, square, triangle. Square, triangle, square. Square, triangle, square, triangle. You see, it keeps getting bigger and bigger. It's growing. But how is it growing? The rule is that it's add triangle. Yes, look at here. First it was a square, right? We go to the next. What happens? Add triangle. Okay, we add a triangle. Hey, we want to go to the next one. What should we do? Add square. Yes, we add square. We want to go to the next one. Add triangle. Boop. So we know the rule. We can find as many terms as we want. So, what are terms? Each step of a growing pattern. This is a term, this is a term, this is a term. And what is a rule? Remember, this is the rule. Plus 3. Add this and then add that. These are called the rules. Okay, let's look at this one. So, we can see that it's triangle, heart, triangle, heart, heart, triangle, heart, 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 triangle, heart, 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 heart. So you can see it's growing. But how is it growing? We want to find the rule, okay? So, First, we have one triangle, one heart. Then we have still only one triangle, but two hearts. Next, we still have one triangle and three hearts. Next, we still have one triangle and four hearts. This means that triangle is not a part of our rule because it's the same. It's like repeating. But the number of hearts, look at here, one heart, two hearts, three hearts, four hearts. So the rule is, let me write rule is plus heart, right? So we add heart to each term. This is one term. Let me do this. Term. How many terms do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 terms in this growing pattern. So look at here. These are our terms. This is one term. This is one term. This is another. One. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay? But we need to find the rule of this pattern. So look at here. First we have a triangle. Next, we have an orange triangle. Let's talk about the color. We have orange. Next we have purple. Next we have orange. Next we have purple. You can see that it's orange and purple. Next one is going to be add orange and then add purple. So that is the rule of this growing pattern. See, plus, add purple, add orange, add purple, add orange, and so on. So the rule is add purple, then add orange, right? Easy. Now let's look at this one. We have 2 diamonds. Here we still have 2 diamonds, but we have a star. Here we still have 2 diamonds. Now we have 2 stars. Here we have 2 diamonds again, but we have 3 stars. So I think you know the rule already. The rule is plus or add star. So easy. Look. The next one is going to be add star, add star, add star, and boop. Now, we know how many terms. 1 term, 2 terms, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. We can find the 8th term too, because we know that we just have to add a star to the next one. Easy. Now, let's look at this one. Again, we have to find a rule first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have 5 terms already, right? So what happens at each term? When we go to the next term, what happens? Plus 5. Add 5. Next, what happens? Plus 5. So we know that when we want to go to the next one, we just have to add 5. So 25 plus 5 is 30. Let's see. Yeah, see, we were correct. These are the rules. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So what is the next one? We know already. It's 30. Now, if you want to go to the next one, 30 plus 5 is 35. Now, 35 plus 5 is 40. So easy. Now we know 8 terms. See, you're so good at it right now. Now let's look at this term. 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. So when we look at this pattern, we have to find what the rule is. What is the rule? Look, in the beginning we have 2 shapes here, right? Let's call them by the color. 2 blues, 1 green. 2 blues, 2 greens. 2 blues, 3 greens. The blues stay the same. There are always 2, right? But the green gets more and more. So it's plus, let me change the color, 1 green, right? So we know we want to find the next one. Which one is the next one? This one. 2 blue, 3 greens. Hey, this is this one, so it's not this one. 2 blues, 4 greens. I think so, because here we have 3 greens. If we add another green, we have 4 greens. Yeah, so this is the answer. Next one. Look at this. Let's call them by the color again. We have yellow, red, yellow, red, red, yellow, red, red, red. Ah, see, the yellow is the same, right? There's only one, so it's not a part of the rule. But look at red. First we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 3. So it is plus doot 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 doot. So now we have to add the red. So we know that the next one is going to be add another red, right? So here we have 3 reds. So the next one is going to have 4 because we add 1 red. So let's count which one. Is it this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. We need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we found that it's this one. All right, let's look at these ones. These are number growing patterns. It's a little hard, but I'm sure you can do it. So first one is 35. Hey, we don't know this one. It's okay. Let's keep looking. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. What's happening here? It is getting plus 10, right? Look at here. 55 to 65 is plus 10, right? And 65 to 75 is plus 10 again. So we know that if we want to find this one, we have to say 35 plus 10, which is 45. Easy. All right, let me remove this and we go to the next one. Oh, let me keep writing 45 here. So next one is 25. Uh-oh, we still don't know this one. 75, 100. Oh my God. Whew. What do we do here? Let's look at 75 and 100. What is the difference between 75 and 100? So let's subtract them. 75, right? So 100 minus 75, let me make it easy for you. It's 25. So that means that when 75 wants to become 100, it gets plus 25. So to find this one, we have to add 25 to 25. And what is 25 plus 25? Let's do it. 25 plus 25. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 2 is 5. So this one is 50. Easy. Next, 190, 80. What? It's coming down. So it's not growing. It's decreasing. It's becoming smaller. 60, 50, 40. Hey, I think it's instead of plus, it's going to be minus. So what's happening? 100 to 90. I think it's minus 10, right? And 90 to 80, it's minus 10 again. So what is after 80? 80 minus 10 is 70. Easy. All right, let me remove these. Let me remove these. This one. Blah, 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 blah. And we have the answer. Now let's find the next one, okay? The next one is 23, 26, blah, 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 32, 35, 38. Let's see. 23 to 26, right? What's happening? Is it plus or minus? It's plus. Very good. It's plus. Plus what? Plus 3. Right? Look at here. Plus 3. Plus 3. So, 26. What is after 26? Just add 3. 26 plus 3 is 29. Easy. Great job, guys. Let's go to the next one. It's 2, 4, 6. Hey, we know this one already. 10, 12, 14. It is plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. So what's after 6? It is 8. Guys, I know this one is a little hard, but I just wanted to test you because I know how smart you are. Okay, guys, that is it for today's class. I am so proud of all of you. Take care of yourself, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye, everyone. See you.